The views and opinions expressed in this show are solely those of the hosts and guests and do not reflect the views of the AMP network. Parental guidance is advised for viewers under the age of 16, as some content may include strong language. Viewer discretion is advised.
What up, fam? This is your boy Novish DMC Ntwana Sekasena Mapupa Setolopin. Welcome to another episode of Spoilers Deposit, the hardest and the most trending podcast in the East. How are you, gents?
Yo, nagi mnati, boy.
Oh, mnati mfethu.
100%, dog.
100%.
Yeah.
I need. You know when you watch 100%. Yini vikile mele mnandi.
We had a spectacular with Njayami.
No,
Mine is not yet over.
why? Ngoba ulahlekile to come here.
No,
Hey,
give
dog.
Friday. Give Friday, dog.
Friday go lesihlanu.
Give Friday.
Friday or lesihlanu.
Friday.
Or Friday. But I'm also Friday. That means that you have money.
Uzobona wena ungene ku IG ubheka story.
Yeah. Not Facebook.
IG dog. I only use lately ne.
Okay.
Playing guides. It's 2025, my dog. Only Facebook and IG. Try.
WhatsApp, nothing.
Wafunelana ama number wami.
Because I talk with my hand on IG or kanjani. Ukhuluma nesitoko sakho on IG.
Amantombazana angenaphi. Eish.
No ngithi ukhuluma naso ku IG.
Kazenza umsulu athi
Ancho most indoda ukuthendeni kuyenzakala ukuthendeni like unama number wakho we WhatsApp ngoba ngifuna sikhulume ku WhatsApp. Yawazi la manje sokhuluma ku WhatsApp.
Yeah. I carry they only log in
WhatsApp.
Google IG just to post and via.
Data bra.
Data.
Hotel is there.
Data.
Hey baba data.
Rain is
Data.
there.
It's data, dog.
Need data.
Yeah.
No, that's
No.
two different things.
Data.
Akanalo nayo yo data. My bazathi sibeke ifoni yakhe manje sicela ukubona data. Akanayo data.
Data, dog.
So bold of you to say data.
No, it's data.
Data.
No, it's
No, it's
data.
not data. That's something that is
Data.
stored, like you know, from a computer. Same with
It's
my
not
different
Oh,
like
no.
pronunciation. No, it's not. It's the same with but different pronunciation.
I've noticed something. Ne? Whenever it's Paulo Teposi, hey, everyone who's there behind the scene wanna say something.
No, but
They wanna say something.
Tando always.
They wanna say
always,
something. No, it shows.
Don't act like you don't know that Tando always had something.
It shows with his politics.
And when it comes
Nah.
to women association, she's Pambi. Yawona Utando will defend women with all her heart. Shem.
Was it live?
Hey.
Because I saw last time.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I heard.
Oh, ngithi maybe khona lawo mazwi.
Ah.
You'll never know. Mara, you'll never know.
Bad demon, man.
Yeah. What if?
Tando,
What if? What if? Everywhere we go, what if? Everywhere we go, what if?
Dog. You don't.
Mara, you'll never know. You'll never know.
Don't do that, dog.
Unjani bafethu unyaka since uqalile for you guys, like how you have been doing?
It's just a stepping stone, dog. Siyaqala kancane. Yabo msinamahleliphi sipholile.
Kancane. Are you winning?
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Yes.
Right now we're busy with like some other things, man. We have to
Yeah.
grow as people and everything, yabo.
Yeah.
So yeah, man. I still look at push up behind the scenes and everything. And limitile dog as
Good.
who's a dog, yo. I have limited.
Going
grooves, especially.
a dog for to tell you as a groovist, the festive iqalile boy.
Already, dog.
It's already festive.
So by month end, manje.
Manje kuzobe kuyimonth.
Manje.
Already people are going to groove today.
Oh, yeah,
They are
vele.
going to drink. Yeah.
What's the plan? We have month end. What's the plan?
Month end.
Yeah. Or before month end, I was Sasa.
Mina dog, I'm no longer.
I'm not going anywhere,
Manje,
dog.
I've paused on grooving, dog.
I'm not saying Mina, I'm not going anywhere and I won't drink. Angisho kanjani.
What are you saying?
Ngithi I might not go anywhere but surely baba mele ukuthi you know yazi nje yami ngikutshela le yeah qinisa umzimba utshwala like yabo like you need to go like bu release yabo zonke lezi zinto ezenzekile during the week, the ups, the downs, yabo we are celebrating at the same time we are grieving because everywhere you go my utshwala baba emncwabeni utshwala
after party
Yeah,
and after tears.
after party yani
fumbled.
dater
Sekujwayele ama-after
Abuba lo muntu,
party,
Mr.
man.
Dater.
After party, man.
Njalo ngita
I was a lot of a party, man. Aye.
what happened
Yo, man. Ish. I don't
You were never
bese
prepared.
ngiphuza literally every day. So I was like, no, man. I need to chill. Yeah. Yo, we used to drink every
that means you were
fucking day.
chowing every day
I didn't say that shit, man.
Unophuza uhlale phansi ngisho kanjani.
Yeah?
Unophuza uhlale phansi.
Yeah, I'll relax, dog.
Hey,
But
my
yeah,
friend.
man. Back in the years, back in the years, ne, me and my friend, Yazi, we used to chow almost every day. Maybe if say a jumpisa, ne.
then that's why like you said you chow 400 hands
What
now
do you
I
say?
understand
What did I say?
now I understand
Mara abobani bona la bafuna ukudliwa nje kanjalo kanjalo.
No, it's not the same
Then I had a
person.
plug mina ngizokutshela the nigga had
plug,
the plug
A plug on what?
no like
I
mune plug
understand.
ndoda like
Oh.
how to attract
Oh, yeah,
ingane,
yeah.
nokuzikhulumela ngisho
Yeah, aye.
nokuzikhulumela yeah
Yeah, I talk. Hey, Futi Yabona, we used to also DM Facebook.
But then like, whoa, dog. I wanna understand something. Multi every day. Okay, you call one hand per day.
Not one hand, we DM maybe let's say 10.
No, I'm talking about the ones who gonna show up.
That gonna show up.
Bekuzangaki per day.
Okay, there was a time.
For you, not for a much chance.
Yeah,
just for
there was
you.
a time that was the most. Ne, it was 4.
4.
Yeah,
Chow 4.
Yeah,
A
in
day.
day.
So like, you dog.
Yeah, man, it was hectic. Phela behlali tournament.
So like you were coming how many times a day?
Eh? You mentally tournament thing like with hands
Yeah,
yeah but even madala tsina when we sazo and
I was protecting
My,
myself.
oh, mama, was protect.
Yeah.
Boshazon.
Uban,
When?
I'm fine.
Cho. 4.
I'm fine.
Mara oh,
Ay,
bazothi
ay,
4
ay,
8
ay,
day.
ay.
Oyi wani umnika ngaki?
It was 1. Then lokugcina, it was like, yeah, massive things.
My, so like umntana
usha
wathi be-
4 usha uthi wena usha 4 ne
Yeah.
kule 4 leyo uzoyishaya kule langa leli ama round
One.
round
One. Then the fourth one. The fourth one. Phela,
Udlala ngomunye umntwana.
No,
Umntwana
man,
umntwana agibele.
it was race against time, man. Phela ungakhohlwa ukuthi
Oh, like
nabo kumele
a
bayenze
order.
nabo bayakhwaza. Uyayithola? Phela
Bayakhwaza
i-tournament,
kanjani?
like it's something good, obvious. We are playing a tournament. Now we are DMing your people. Uyayithola? Mangiceda ukushaya ngena omunye.
usha lo uyahamba
Yeah.
bese ngena omunye after a certain time
No, obvious ngena maybe my friend. Uyayithola?
so you guys agree ukuthi and then nishaya
I-tournament.
1-1 each shaya i-tournament ukuthi ubani ozoyenzani
No, let me explain it to you.
yeah we explain the tournament
Yazi tournament benjani ne? I-tournament bokuthi in a week or 2 weeks we're gonna see who's gonna come on top with the numbers. Uyayithola ukuthi how many girls did you
you
shy?
smash?
Yeah, on that week. Uyayithola? So yeah, you need to be at the top. You know,
with numbers
with numbers, and you don't smash the same chick. We
Oh,
don't
you
count
don't-
it.
so
true.
so
True.
Yeah.
every day when uthi mosha 4
No, not every day. There was one time I smashed 4.
4 ngelanga
Yeah, but maybe let's say
Every
probably it was 2 maybe. It was
okay
2.
usually when you high score usha 2
Yeah,
a day.
2. Yeah, but and then one time it was 4.
Ayibafethu mina nginombuzo Joe.
Yeah.
Manje nithembana kanjani ukuthi lo muntu unginika le number kuyiyo vele?
amajita da like njoba hleli manje
Eh,
yangena
yahleli
istay
mina.
nesitoko room
Kwa. And then after ngena yena.
ngena omunye umjita
Yeah.
kahle like ngifuna uku-understand we okhukhe lo cherry mara nizomudla nonke
Hayi, like naye uphethe isitoko sakhe.
oh
Naye uphethe isitoko sakhe.
Naye uphethe isitoko
Yo,
sakhe,
naye uphethe
umjita.
isitoko sakhe. Nawe
So,
usirerezele
meningaki?
bahlele dining room.
Meningaki?
Manje Patrick
Si-3.
ne Patrick.
mini 3
Singbuze
Yeah.
ningaki?
by 3
Ni 3.
Yeah.
Per day nishaya ngaki? No 3.
It was like most numbers, me myself, I'm talking
Yeah.
about myself.
Okay.
It was 4,
Okay,
but
sharp.
it
But
was
it's
not
on a regular day.
yeah, on a maybe
Yeah.
yeah, a big day it was
Yeah.
4, and then regularly it was 1 2.
two, ne?
Yeah.
Let's say your friend also has 2 and the other one has 2.
Like yeah, but it was
For how
like-
long?
It happened like it's
No, I mean how. Okay, you're going in with this girl. How long? Guthi nonke nifithe ngilangili one.
No,
phela
I
we
would
start-
badla ochero you-one.
Angisho ukuthi umuntu oyi-one.
Until
Ukuthi ungena how long now? Because this is sounding like a 10-minute situation.
Yeah,
like
like
this
yeah,
one.
Yeah, phela ngisho it was ukuthi it was the thing ukuthi ushayile and then she goes. Yeah.
Okay, last question. Why?
Yeah.
Why? Just
Eish,
why?
Hayi man,
mina no-
wabuza ukuthi
awu,
why
mara,
ngiyamdefend. I-tournament
It was a
uzwile.
tournament.
Tournament yegwayi. Hawu, tournament yegwayi. Hawu. Yeah.
So man, yeah, hey, Joe.
So mina nje yami into engifuna ukuyazi ukuthi then okay now ngifikile ugirl namhlanje.
Yeah.
Usha how many rounds?
Talk used to depend ukuthi baphethe like nabo like iline yabo ithini because used to be like end of the
Oh, noma kahle kahle noma ungavela ungishayise one jika on.
Usho njalo.
Oh.
Usho njalo.
right on.
Kahle kahle nina nidlala ama penalty kuma tournament. Andlala the whole match dlala ama penalty.
Yeah, but obvious
It can happen ukuthi ungene naye base nangakushayisa.
But obvious us we used to like prove that ngisho phela we were using condoms and everything. So obvious mele ngibone condom vele ukuthi
Oh, nayi condom isipasi nilinye ifast
Yeah,
yalash.
ifast yalash.
Mayirumbele niwa kanjani lapha?
Bra. You nyobe 4 with different nyash. Cabanga 4 with different nyash and it's not like bahlapha kawufela. Nalo vele yanga
Hayi
chief.
chief mina I thought it was
Asinuki ngokufana.
Asinuki ngokufana, dog, after sex.
Koloniami nalapha phansi kuyasinda. Munye uyafika naye nawe.
So dog, don't you think ukuthi mhlawumbe unesinyama or anything?
Yeah, yeah.
As an African,
On a serious
when
note,
like
dog,
manje
you
clean.
can't be
no
doing
manje
that.
clean dog.
I dog now I can
How
tell you
sure
I
are
believe you njoba uthi you have smashed 400 plus. Yabo mawuthi mina ngidlala ama tournament. Amanye akubelieve. How is fair mfana?
How is so
Nginika
certified?
amagunya boy.
Certified.
Tana
Anyakunika boy. Yakunika.
So utana kahle kahle wo wawina.
Ama gods.
I no.
Masikhuluma ngama god.
No.
Wena nje ku category yabo miss. Slay like you slay them fucking all dog. Now I understand.
Hey
No,
man,
no,
I but
udlala
now
impilo
to
yakho,
age to Pumile that talk it was some things that happened years back, man. You know.
When you were still young and confused, right?
Yeah, so
Yeah,
yeah.
So
now
mine
yeah,
clean.
Yeah,
Yeah?
manje clean.
I'm clean, dog.
Clean. You're not dating.
I'm dating.
Ay.
Now ntanga uyiphilile mostly le mpilo
Le.
le yokuhlala emajozi. Hlala emajozi, hlala
Mina
emapitori.
bengayenzi njengomntwana yenza too much.
Yeah, vele nento.
But we don't know behind closed doors. Some of-
Mega smesha lapho share bathini. Ba fragile handle with care.
Obvious, you have to have a taste.
Yabo.
Have a taste.
Hayi laba babosli laba woza man shaya one. Laba you have to prepare
Ila
ndoda.
ukuthi woza siyenze uhambe.
Yeah, senze
No,
sihambe.
phela ungakhohlwa ukuthi nabo dog they were still young, chief, and you know we all ukuthi okay sharp with the one agenda here. Let's wanna get to know you. I'm true to chair obviously.
Exactly. Yakena babiza ngani ikasi lami leyo nto? Imosha. Udla mamosha ta.
Oh, amamosha. Yeah,
Amamosha.
my.
Decent girls that I
Manje ke
Udla
manje.
mamosha.
Yeah, udla mamosha. Manje bathi amapili. Yeah, udla amapili.
Yeah. Asho lisho imali igama bali spice.
Yeah, bali spice, ama bathi pili.
Bali sugar coat.
So when what's your body count? You've never been there.
I've never been there. Mina experience into le.
Yeah, okay, I'm asking. It's a
I'm a
question.
tournament and smashing 4 girls a day, dog. Yeah, nyakena ngiyisuper but I never found myself in that situation. Once
but
a
you were
day
one of
it's enough.
us.
I'm one of you. Hedrick next, boy.
You did?
Boy, yeah, dog.
Next,
Yeah.
boy.
Did you?
I'm a hat-trick. Yeah, nina ntanga ngizawushaya. Angeke vele uhlale nami ngayishaya hat-trick ndoda. Awungisephena power. Jose kusephena power.
At least. Makana
You see that it's possible.
Yeah, it's possible.
It's possible
dog, but
to
like
do
if
that.
you had too much.
You know, like, hey, dog, hey.
Dog, to me, it was just
special, man.
luck. It was just
Yeah, now
You must enjoy it, man. You know, I never smash 3 times a day. Yes.
Mara ingayenzeka dog.
Yeah, it can happen, hey, but not for me, dog.
But udog yena
Have you-
bekayiplan.
Aye, le ndoda inja game, dog.
Mina didn't plan it. Like
no,
yele
Le ndoda inja
yenzeka.
I can tell about any scenario, dog. Yeah. Yo, Amachita was even saying, umchito greedy.
Chief, we're not here to talk about me, Chief.
No, we are not
Yeah,
talking about you. I'm talking about the scenario that happened, Chief.
Which scenario?
Yeah, like untwana ngangifakazela yabo mekakhona mntanga ngikhumbula when that happened mina mengupa was sitting that side right mengihleli ngale mina when you were
doing your own thing.
namajita ngale with those hands bra
Wait, we Isho, just like maybe
at your crib baba how
Patrick.
we were playing 30-second that side
Patrick.
bese
Patrick.
nina ningare
Patrick.
nalabo sikomotara baya
Yeah,
Boskomoda.
Yamamosha.
amamosha ndoda
No, but Pamela.
konje uthakho biza lezana ngani I'm a little influencer. Yeah. I'm a little influencer.
So can I ask, did one of you Nainza eat tresam or something?
No.
Chief, don't lie.
I've never been to a
don't lie. You
tresam.
see, you trying to paint yourself as
I
a
once
good
did
person
like
now.
No, I'm not saying I'm a good person. Dog, I've never witnessed it.
I
Chief.
once did an orgy.
Orgy, so-
I'm shy. Yeah.
shy.
But I got to shy to
Me and him once did that.
Like, that's normal.
Decorate to fair, but see Augie.
It's an orgy.
Yeah, OG man.
Oh, Augie.
Yeah, it's an orgy.
No, we once did that, me and him.
Move on. You. Move on.
Yeah, it's all about
This is simple. Nini kubani. Mina I'm willing ukuthi wena usho.
Ngisho.
Yeah.
I'm gonna tell you. I'm gonna tell you about the show
now.
I'm gonna tell about the scenario. It was some chick's birthday, Gibo.
Oh, Gibo.
Gibo.
Yeah. Gibo. And then remember, amachita wahamba sasala C2.
Yeah.
Sasala C2.
You smashed the other one. I smashed the other one.
But there was a time where you were smashing and I was smashing, man.
Different rooms or
No, same old room. It was singing,
Yeah.
so obvious. Wow, you
Can't
see?
it some talk like maybe I'm
No, it's not a threesome.
No, it's not.
No,
It's OG. We were saying
Oh,
about
yeah,
OG.
OG. I don't give a fuck about the OG dog. You know what I'm talking about?
le moment mawubheka uSlay ukuthi
Yeah,
meeting
I thought- No, I'm telling you about this one.
Nale way kuyenzeke ngakhona ne. Yeah. He got fucked. Liyachela nje amimbulo.
We are lying.
Liyachela he lost.
No.
He lost. Ntanga.
Ngamanga. He's
Liyachela
lying, this
imbulela. Ntanga, how can you smash the whole night bese ulala the following day ulala the whole day? Leyo chick lay evidence standing.
Evidence.
No,
You
Chief.
No. You were chained.
The nigga was like, oh, fuck me hard, babe. I'm like, pet dog. Like, yeah, but no.
listening utele awuthenzani.
And what happened? Ubulali slender ne. Ubulali code 14. But he said, still
No, you know what he was doing? Listen to me. It's cool. Listen to me. Listen to me.
Tungathando.
Bashilo basilenda never gets tired.
No, this one. You know what he was doing, Donna? This
Come
one was
on,
taking
dog.
breaks and drinking water. Like,
Unamanga. Wavuka nami wathi nofuna ukuyochama saphuma sithu. We were walking naked lapha endlini. Sathi masibuya savula free.
Naked or just the bafethu naked.
Naked.
Yeah,
Naked like
Like,
naked.
yeah.
Besamba siklepana.
Oh man.
ayakaba nayifika edolweni.
And that day, ne, dog, you amachita dog, babalekile dog.
Like
There
they
were
left
many.
hands.
Joe,
They left hands.
kabanga dog.
What if those hands like had a problem?
No.
No, how, dog? Because Amachita Avaye before their hands left.
Imagine.
So their hands decided to send an
Amadoda wasekho savaya.
The girl
Okay,
that I
why?
smashed,
Why?
dog, was
Why?
not the girl that I wanted to smash.
Nami, I was like picked. And not that
No, you vele nina niqale vele sisadlala ama games.
Kudala babhekene.
Babhekene vele.
Babhekene, the last.
Ngivele phezu kwetafula ndoda ucabuza umjida nomshinga amalaza.
Ayi, wena.
Clever sebatshela whoa,
Ayi,
not
wena.
now. Not now.
Yo.
Bathi tournament vele ndoda sebuyibo bavula ifirst smash. Ngene room
Awuyinja. First game.
First game makaqeda ulala the whole day.
Oh, chief. Like,
Akabona amanye kufika amanye ama-hands akawabonanga ngobulele.
No,
Makavuka tanga sami sogeza sizobuya.
Maka amachita
If you
lawa
come
shiya ama hands avaya kanjani.
ndoda.
Like
I was so
kanjani?
surprised too.
I don't understand. Like kanjani?
umchita kantwana bamfonele ke bafonelwa i-time avele yabo.
Okay, makes sense.
Yeah, so he had to leave. Lawa amanye amachita they were like dog yeah like kambe
Listen, why five, four? Amabala ngamagama. No, there were four.
yeah me why four. And then mina nontwana with the other guy with said like we are staying.
You wanna name drop? Yes, baba.
Sele no bantu futhi.
Yabo. We were left with lo mchita umuntu Ivan.
Oh.
Yeah, Ivan.
Yeah.
The
The
guy
top,
sasala naye.
Yeah.
And he smashed that
Esofeni.
hand esofeni. Masibuye kuseni bathi
Akenzakala
next.
next.
Mari sofa liphukile. Kanjani tang?
Yo.
Kanjani tang?
Bebayenzani babhampana?
No ways, bra. Uthi we were just cuddling. No way.
cuddling.
Angeke ukadlila kanjani?
Hayi unamanga olifakile.
Ukadlila kanjani? Angeke uthi ukadlile.
Or ufeyilile?
I don't think so.
Chief. Because there was a time
I'm not
Suga
speaking bad about the hand name Marai man. Asula ungathatha khona ilose.
Yo, okay, what do you mean?
You like it's easy. Your cooking skills like
Yeah.
you should use level 1.
Level one.
Chief.
Yeah.
And
And that chick was still young.
Yeah.
Hey.
Ngifaka isandla kuyo. Like
Yeah, it's her. And the she was still young.
Yeah.
That chick was still young.
man talk
She was still young.
She was young.
Babaza.
Not young, but obvious. She was in grade 8, Chief.
8 you are lying chief. You are lying. Yeah, you know
Grade
what
one.
to piece. Eh ndo
Grade one.
grade 8. Yeah.
We are grade 8, not that.
Okay, we have more into grade 8. You are around 15.
15 bro. Ufuna ukuthini? Lo muntu lo.
And that angazi.
Okay, wena ngaki wena. It was when?
Were we done? It was 20 man.
Oh,
20. It was 20.
Already masothi 20 daluqedile.
COVID 2020.
2020. I was
It was
doing
2020.
matric.
You're
Yeah.
doing matric. Intanga yakho lo mntana ke yena uqedele icala.
Sakazi.
Umqedele icala. Ndaba mama yangifuna nokukhuluma
Hey.
ngalo mntana lo. You can't say umekana 15 bra.
I mean, I didn't know her, you know, to the
Yeah, wena monga
but she
mkeni.
seemed very young.
2020 began to grade 8.
Yazi why mongamkeni? Ukuthi uScoville kuya kule house party.
Oh.
Uyahlanya nginigovanga. Anginigovanga. I
Sole
don't.
park so collect some hands. Splomena
No.
isha. Uthenga ibiya, makathenga ibiya ngithi ngiyiphuza le biya yalo.
Yeah.
Ngayiphuza mangiphuza
Awu, wamosha lapho.
ngamosha lapho. Mina mas dismissa udonsa nana 3 vele uthi wena ayisebona isanvele. Nangapha vele uhamba nobani uhamba nenye out yakhe yasenkambini yakhe vele sihamba sonke siya lapho kuleya party. Yacaba. Makafika sekazenza umdidiyeli lapha yensekafuna ukubraya.
Hayi unamanga uyalayi.
Master.
Chief uyalayi. Amakanami there's a chick, there were a lot of chicks there dog. Khona lo
Mntana ngisho bekabizela abantu labangani bakhe basenatshela hayi bra.
Oh ntwana. Ejo khona umuntu
Bakhe baduma abantwana basenayijelde ukuthi hey
Mfana.
Dog, if you never dated
Hey,
a
dog.
high, swag, bro.
Swak.
You need to eat. Yabona that one, boy. Yabona yase Nigel high buffet.
Amaramai.
Yase Nigel high buffet.
I'm joking.
It's true, dog.
But yeah.
Yase Nigel high. Ngithi halala. Hey.
Nakhona ngathi angahlala eDanotho Nigel
Yeah.
ezekasi.
Ezekasi.
Angahlali khona ukuthi bofunde Nigel wahlala
Ayikasi
eKasi
because
sinandaba nawe. Ngithi mina ntombazana bofunde Nigel uhlala eKasi sinandaba nawe.
Sinandaba now. Straight out to the point.
Sorry.
Especially siba specific.
Sorry.
Duduza.
Sorry. Sinandaba nawe uyafana nokuthi ufunda kuphi konje
Sandisbego. Or NN.
Also perfect. This
Ay mare NN. TS is the worst.
That's the worst. dog.
TS is the worst.
It's the worst.
It's the worst.
Yabona ENN must be prison vele.
Prison.
Ukhuluma
ngani? Have you seen the neatness and manje?
Yeah.
Go there, man.
There's a number last man.
No,
Go
we are not
there,
talking
man.
about the results.
But
dog.
still,
We are there as individuals as long as pass mina, guys.
Try.
Group work. I'm not here to represent the school. I'm here to fetch my things.
Baningi
and
abafunde
vibe.
Nigel abafeyilayo. Sababone resource but asikho lapho yathi.
But abanye baphasile bakuphi they are far. It's not a group work, dog. It's not.
You know what?
No.
Be ashamed.
Who said that you should be ashamed?
Why?
But this
I mean, no, you shouldn't be emotional handling this business and
Nah, la we
point
just
efaka
talking.
usikhumbuzo,
We
bra.
just talking. la.
If you feel like you have downgraded ekufundeni resource then ufunani lapho?
Exactly.
Ufunani lapho?
Uzama the best.
Don't be there.
Hey.
Phuma la.
Yeah, ne.
Naku nawo nje yami yabo, you didn't go to Resort Center, you went straight to Pitori.
Fast.
Then you joined Comrades.
Wayimosha lapho.
Wadlala ama-tournament.
Wayimosha lapho.
Yo.
Waba ne-plug lasezanzu.
Ishtana wena true.
Mara, like, do you feel like njoba hleli kanjene Johan is listening to whatever we're saying? Uzoba proud ukuthi shout khuluma into enje.
Umlando wayo.
Yo,
No, Chief.
The Mlando, bruh. The
Yo.
Mlando matters.
Yo,
The Mlando matters.
because the story sticks to you, dog.
Background, mabati background check. Etang, I've lost a lot of like my hands, dog. Like,
Chief,
nice,
would you
ne?
like Ibana? I feel like it's fine to disclose what you've went through than ukuthi yena
As a found out tale.
find out tale and
No,
stuff.
who found out.
But
No,
I told you, no, but still, I'm jail. I mean,
This one is defensive. Good to
No,
maybe
no,
as
no.
I was
good
this kind of a
podcast.
person.
There's a way to talk
But
to
who's
someone.
found out tela?
Protect my feelings wakhe wena
Yeah.
nje wesikhuluma ngakhona ngiyokhuluma naye kanjalo.
I wouldn't.
Exactly my
obvious,
point.
dog.
My parents sikhuluma kanjalo.
But she knows.
The things we do for the likes.
Tournament ePitori.
The things we
I
do
don't
for the
think so,
likes.
man.
The things we do to trend.
Not
The
Victoria.
things we do to
Not
trend.
Victoria. No, I thought
fine.
it's not about trending. It's a true story, man.
It's a true story.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Impilo zenu.
No, but-
Ukuthi ubulele
Ah,
ama-hands apha haya.
No.
You killed a lot of hands. You got a lot of hands under your wing.
No, man. But tell me, Doc, what transpired for you to trend with? To fight. Have a.
Dog, that's below the standard of this podcast.
No, I'm asking.
Like we shouldn't be talking about it.
I wanna know.
Like
I wanna know,
it's
man.
on the low, very
I
low.
wanna know what happened. What transpired.
Like it's
man.
very low, dog.
Okay, what happened then?
Yeah, bro. Like this hand got up in his feelings. Yeah, bro. Wachampa champa. Yeah, bro. What's oots? Ngat.
Because I saw she ended up deleting my post.
You better check who you going against with. They not like us. They not like us.
Yabona mana mazweni lawa yahlupha manje. Ibanzini manje.
I can't be doing that, dog. Like I had my opinion. Go post
Hey.
opinion. Then he
She thought you were directed to her.
catch you smoke.
Who's that?
Bro. Catch you smoke.
Who's that?
What's this ngobani konje lamntana?
Dikarab.
Dikarab, yeah. yeah.
Oh,
Catch
the
you
slender
smoke,
one,
dog.
the short one.
What did you say?
Slender.
Dikarabo, are you talking about the same person here?
This one says Kukokri.
Who said Ukok?
I don't know.
Oh,
Cholo Dallas Stadium.
yeah. The next thing,
Oh.
dog, like, okay, I was on her DMs, yabo. I was on her DMs, about teasing, you know, yabo. Ngithi ulifuna ipenseni uyaphendula yabo.
Yeah.
Like mina blah, 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 dating stuff like that uyabona. Ngithi man, come on, Kokri. Yabo, I said. So she posted so she posted leso screenshot leso. Yabo, after ngishare ipost yakhe. No, ipost mekakhuluma ngokuthi when it happened ukuthi and then like
Ubaba kam umntwana kam.
umntwana kabi no baba, so umama uyokumela abheke like umntwana athenge yonke into yabo. Say ku statement sakhe lapha egcineni ubhala ukuthini, like girls like iba stingy ngewumbi.
Yeah, ngewumbi.
Oh, I saw that post.
So mina ngayishare ngithi uzoba stingy ngayo kanjani.
Nophuza ngayo.
Uphuza ngayo.
ngayo.
Economic limaze kubangela infection.
Infection.
I was not
I saw
pointing
that
at her. Yeah, no, that she's up in the feelings, brother. Next thing you know,
'Cause I
so
saw
I
she was
screenshot, so I post.
Drama engaka manje.
So much drama, dog. Maqeda makabona ukuthi like, ay, ngathi manje
Iyadlila.
siyaqala iyadlondlobala. Yabo, sebeyaqala ba mention no why delete. Yabo.
Now, my
a lot.
Unovich, yabona, when it comes to Facebook, ne, this nigga doesn't have filter. Ali outside in a filter.
Hey,
He show
no.
the way.
Alone.
The way.
Nchaka mara, we are there to
Hey, mara,
That's why the question lapa, what's on your mind? What's on your fucking mind? What's on your mind?
Yo.
Yeah, but don't be scared to say what's on your mind. Yeah,
And like, as she said, what's on your mind?
Yeah. Na ukhuluma into mekumandi yakhe yabo. Nasekuseni khona lo share lo thathu hathu share le post le the thing is yabo uyishareile i-caption yakhe mithi nina abantwana ababi nethi nidumile ku Facebook.
Yeah, and then my
Then kwaba ne smoke lapha kuma comment vu. Wasukuma enye into vu. Hey, ngabona uthi and then you hayi baba hey yabona la like it's
Lapha abantu
all, like,
they will
it's a-
bash
yeah,
you,
yeah, yeah,
dog.
they will
Yeah,
bash you,
abantu,
dog.
no,
Like funa ngathi ungazithemba benamandla.
Like you have to be qondisi bro.
Yeah.
Like kumele ube strong.
But mina bona I
Yazi-
feel like I don't need that traction anymore, you know.
Nah,
So,
me dog.
I talk whatever. If maybe gonna say something about me, I'm just gonna avoid
That's
it.
why I didn't want to talk about it.
You
No,
know,
yabona wena Jay, I'm like, yeah, I don't, sorry to say it, but hey, they killed you, my brother. Hey,
And
they killed you, bro.
I wanted to come back at her, but I was like, nah, man.
Yo,
You know?
see what did you dirty, done?
Yo, dog.
Yabona da. Aye, she did
I
you
wanted to
dirty,
retaliate,
bruh.
ne?
Yo,
But it's not. I was like,
you were
no, it's not
supposed to,
worth it.
Baba.
It's not worth it. You know,
Aye,
because
some
I
people-
have
Eh, Baba, aye.
some things, some
Eh, Baba,
bullets
aye.
that I could.
Eh baba, mina ngizaqola ka hell futhi tsek baba.
But I was like,
Ngazokudakela.
Eh baba ungahlekisi ngami baba.
Hayi
Hey,
ndoda. Kama labani limushayi.
Abo bigger person. Hey, bigger person le ka hell baba. Sebenzi lento leyo baba. If I have something on you baba, hey yeah, if you do me dates I'll go for you baba.
yeah,
I come for
wanted
you,
to,
Baba.
But you know, I was like, you know what, fuck it.
This is nokutrenda.
Don't do that to yourself, bruh.
my
Don't do that to
brother.
yourself. Uthi uyidinga lento le free in kuthi uyajola.
No, it wasn't about that. But nje bengasafuni nje ukuba into angisekho nje ku Facebook yabo.
Awusekho ku Facebook don't
Ah,
lie
like-
chief.
No, maka
Because the first platform uposte kuyo umjolo wakhe Facebook. Angikho ku Facebook.
No, ngaposta ka IG first on my IG story. You know.
Yeah. Last week ngimuzile ukuthi dog, okay, you say you're dating, you post your hand go social media and but you don't want to say her name live. Like what's the difference?
What's the point? Because
I said, who knows?
posted like just a picture.
No, like pictures, like content walking.
Avelile and
Yeah,
stuff.
uvelile.
Bakhona bamaziyo.
Mesha amakhombo necherry yami. Mesha amakhombo necherry yami. Then makaqeda wathi profile picture.
Eish.
Maniga. Yeah. Yes, sis. Wow.
Yes, impilo is so surprising. From all the tournaments and shit and
All the
shit.
tournaments and shit, like I truly believe that people change, guys.
People change.
People do
People
change.
change.
Yabo.
People
A
change.
true definition. This guy is a true definition of I'm trying to change. I'm a man of changes. You know, the nigga has changed. Yabo.
Aye.
If you don't know, now you know.
Pets.
My nigga.
Patrick,
Patrick.
man. Who's Patrick, man? That's not me.
Patrick.
So when uthi clean mic, my DMs go clean. Uyakuphela.
Never shitter. Never shitter.
You know what?
Shitter.
Like avoida ipinto ne. Kuthi uzala uyasichomela, hey I'm clean wara. Mari phone yakho immediately masicede
Dog.
isipholo.
Dog. I'm not speaking bird about this nigga dog ne. Ingwa ichinja mabala.
Awa.
I'm not an E.
But you see,
Ingwe
that's
ayichinja
contradictory
amabala.
now.
Mengim Chinese. Maringwa ichinja mabala.
Yo.
Usho uyamazi la.
I know. In and out.
Ayamazi.
In and out. Mina nayisisende ne joke.
No, man. No, that's not true, man.
Kanje uyazi.
I'm a changed man.
Yakanje ukuthi le impet salute.
I'm a changed man.
Salute maqala anytime.
I'm a changed man.
Sabangena.
I'm under the radar.
Hlezi
man.
ngiposta le yami ndoda. Awuyibona ngize ngiyenze nememe lapha ilele.
Ntwana.
Khathele.
Yeah, that's the vibes.
Uyazi inzani.
Yo, eish.
Yabo. We used to do ama freestyles together. Yabo.
Yeah.
Back when we were still chilling with niggas that no longer chill with me. You know.
With you, not with you guys.
Yeah. They're no longer chilling with me.
Ngoba
Yabo.
wena lapho.
I don't know. Yabo. I don't know.
Life.
Maybe yena ngakutshela bet untwana some other time kuthi then what's the qwa khwele no
Me,
the
I don't
highest
know
level.
anything. Yeah, it's all. Because
man.
now me, I'm always at home, you know.
So you no longer hang out with those guys.
I do sometimes, though.
Yeah.
I do sometimes.
I'm not saying stop it.
I'm not saying I mean stop it,
Those
but
are
I
your
do.
niggas, bruh.
Yes, I
Yeah,
do.
I don't forget it because those
I
ones
do
better
hang out.
CCs.
I do
Don't
hang
be like
out.
that, bruh. Yabo mina ngithi to
I do hang up with them sometimes, though, but I'm always at home. You know,
Wena vele posh.
and traveling, going
Yeah.
to Bosch.
mina bangiposha ndoda nge-view once.
Hayi wena. Sure, into yamanje msile.
Yeah, early this year.
Yo.
But you know, Chief, life is not a group work.
Uzalwa.
Dog. Yeah, I do miss the vibes, you know, because like the vibes were real, dog. Like we were popping, Jayan. ngakutshela untwana like we
Yeah,
are
it was
popping
popping, man.
every day ntanga like even amajita like who pull up and come chill with us yacava maybe let's say ngiza nawe awungasho ukuthi amajita wakho they are
Style
living
si-on.
style si-on dog style si-on
Nah, it was
yabo
pure.
so gone are the better days nigga
Hey, awandenzeni Novich.
you know bruh
Uzovula enye podcast adala lapha kumelody lapha.
lapha kumelodi lapha bangifela nje
Bala bangifela.
and mawuthi uyabheka yimi obiza uphethe
Yeah, yimi.
yimi obiza uPatrick yimi obiza uPatrick and cishe yaphela because of uPatrick uPatrick mara
Hey, Joe.
talk like did you
but-
did you see that thing that is happening in Joburg
Which one?
like the MMC and the police like they are chasing out people like foreigners who are
In the buildings.
in the buildings yeah.
No,
Yeah.
I haven't seen
Nah,
it.
I didn't see that, man.
Guys, continue. What are you
Lately,
doing
man,
this
I've been
spare
off
time?
social media, man.
For what reasons, dog? You need to be there. Where are we going to get the gossip?
There's someone who's watching ongazi kwenzekalani.
So yeah, I heard as well.
Yeah.
Details, dog.
So I like as that's why I was asking you guys first, you know, because I know what's in but my socials. Yeah.
Mina ngeke sanzi yonke into man. Hey. Ngeke.
You know,
So like you're not like awukho lezi into lezi like to know what's going on in the country, especially as
Mangibonile ngibonile.
Yeah.
Ngilezo mangibonile ngibonile. If I'm
You know why nginibuza because
Yeah.
like ningabantu be social media yabo.
Ooh.
Browse kuma TikToks yabo.
and I don't do
Maybe
TikTok,
so.
man. After they
So what
banned me-
happened, Novich? What happened? What happened?
No, they are chasing people out, dog. Like
Doesn't have documents
Yeah,
and
who don't
stuff,
have
yeah?
documents. Yeah, but because like
That's great.
there's a complaint good and then ishtanga. Okay.
crime, is it?
Yeah.
It's papaya.
It's papaya. And then in those buildings, like most of the time, kuba nama fires. Yeah, but because overcrowded. Every now and then cooking. Omunye, omazi shisa aluminium ngale. Munye utayi ushiya amapoto yabo nangapha amaphepha. They're even complaining dog emajele kugcwele because of these people. Because somehow I think you need to be arrested if awunama paper.
So cwele bona.
Kwele
So they
bona
need to
dog
be
like they were taking them out
migrated
dog.
back.
Nangapha nalaba abathini abangene by force kuma building yabo. Even if you are a South African you are being chased out.
Bayibiza ngani lento lena man?
You are being chased out.
You know.
Like yeah. Like ngena ku
Mascot.
building where you are not allowed.
Yeah, we are not
If you
allowed.
kuhlala.
Ungene lapho
Yeah.
uhlala like they were chasing those people out. I don't know why they are doing it dog because like,
Dog, I see a chance ayingena dog.
yeah, I'm not saying why. I mean I'm saying why are they chasing them? Like Baba Kipelani dog.
No, but I'm
that's
sure
someone-
the
that-
building
that-
owners,
The country is already fucked up.
That's someone's
the building
purpose.
owners is not
Just-
making money. You know.
Yeah.
And obviously, pay tax, mela patal tax, mela patal manzi, and electricity. You know. So obviously, if I patali, then what's
Kabateka
the use?
mina.
Yeah. So that's
Kabateka-
why.
But you know
So
somehow-
nabazobahlalisa nje.
Yeah, so that's why, man.
Novich.
Trying to talk to them, get something from them. If not,
Like
yeah.
what?
Mpatsho babhaya.
Papaya. Nabantwana babo phezulu.
Nabantwana babo phezulu.
Imagine. But like mawubacosha kenzekalani? Bayaphi?
That's the clue.
It's cool, got you on the
Life is
baby boy.
hard, Yeah.
Catch you on the baby. Like
Dog, why
100% baby.
are we busy talking about
why it's all
baddies,
about
dog?
girls, Joe?
We are not on
asking.
girls, dog.
girls,
We are
Joe.
not on girls. We are talking about lento leyo. We
Life.
ask about baddies.
How?
Hey,
My baddies
Chief,
for
but
out of
you
the
done with
blue,
that topic?
out of the blue. Out of the blue now, my baby.
Oh, I'm asking, man.
For in, bro. We are talking about people being chased away. You don't have an opinion in that. You are always
I
asking
did,
about baddies,
Oh,
baddies. Everywhere you go when you talk about baddies. That's all you think about. Baddies. Kumba every day say the baddie. Hey, I'm a baddie.
Kahle ufuna ukusho story sakhe. Ufuna ukuthini?
I know. I don't have a
Seven
story.
baddies, dog.
I'm
We are no longer talking
I'm
about
no longer-
baddies.
I've never dated a baby, man.
It doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Jeez. This guy, daughter.
Yo, it's
So,
always
yeah,
about
man.
girls with pets. It's your
It's all about girls. Every day, girls.
Aye, Chief.
Girls. Some of us we are dating serious people. They're
Yazini,
going to complain.
Joe.
You're always
Yazini.
talking about girls.
Yazini.
So what does it? Does
No,
it share
when
with
I
complain?
jalo go
podcast,
Yeah,
What
yeah,
you doing? Are you doing something? Maybe I'm a baby.
No, I'm not
Okay,
doing.
thank you,
Why are
thank
you
you.
always talking about birdies? Say it's birdies. Talking about birdies. Everything. Uzobuza cherry yakho dog because in words
Why?
cherry ayayibukela
Eish,
podcast
down.
about that.
Eish.
Angikho lapho.
Ah,
Angikho lapho.
Oh, I'm a.
Azange ngithiwaka la
I am.
Angikho lapho. They do watch and they do ask ukuthi la mawuthini.
Bothini.
It's a level of interest. Like uzokubuza now iyo lento ohlala uyijahele ohlala uyikhanselela for me to go there nomngane wakho talk about baddies baddies. Baddies, no, dog.
Something.
Spolo Deposit is not about baddies. dog.
Yo, njalo,
Not about baddies. What's trending?
Baddies.
What's trending, dog?
What's trending? dog?
Tell
What
us
is
something, Fetch, like you weakness in your weekend.
it? Yazini, waba in shock.
Waba in short, you know, or guys, I got something line up, yabo.
It's hot.
Not baddies, yabo. She saw some baddies.
Joe.
She's some baddies.
Baddies are gonna kill you.
Stop about that shit.
Like, yo, my baby, we got
Sunday, dog. I went to the shit. Sundays are for lovers.
Where?
It's him. It was happening lega uncool. Yabo.
Is it Kamtaito or?
No, me say plot 88. Think it's he say plot 88. Think Springs Prakpan Konalapo.
Yeah.
Can't remember very well, dog. Se Prakpan ne? Yeah, plot 88. Ish guys, you know, like I'm so hurt now. Good and Danny, we have a podcast and you guys are not glued to social media. No,
We are
what's
not
going
glued.
on. Yeah, oh, like why? Like isn't like hey. Plot 88, you go.
No, besides logo, when
But
I
we
hear
know
what's
about the
going
event.
on.
Oh, you know about the event?
Yes, we know about the
Yeah, dog. Like I wonder, you know, like I think people like need to invest more in Jayami in Amaveni. I wanna talk like Leaveni, top, bruh.
Yeah.
Top. And I know most of the people came from Ekasi to go there because I saw a lot of people being back then. I was coming from a Davidson, Kingsway, from a gig. Yabo. So I had a friend who was a city chwe, yabo, in
La people
La Peplot, dog, yabo.
Witness ini dog, one what's hard?
The connects, nyana.
The connect, obvious, dog.
The
You know, you have to network, bruh. You know, we have to network, bruh.
Hey, man,
I
dog.
was talking, I bumped into some cheetahs or about, I don't know, good and then I'm bantu bayamaz, Joe. Like, meta dogs. Meta dogs. He's a DJ, like straight DJ. Yeah, tough. That nigga like does dope set. And then the music work, we are shanga corner jama on.
He has music or he's playing.
Like music work.
Okay.
Yeah, music like you
In his kitchen.
Yeah, Ushayan.
No, akashaya sketch. Ushaya in commercial.
Commercial.
Yeah, shy commercial. You know, tanda my vocal. Yeah. So like we met with that nigga, exchange numbers. About like.
So did you go to him or?
No, we haven't linked up. Yeah, tough. We haven't linked up.
No, I'm saying at the event, was he at the VIP? Did you go to him? What transpired for you to like talk to him and everything?
Oh, like we actually bump into each other. I found your toilet and we toilet.
Yeah.
Yeah, so what magabuya? Like we were sitting almost in the same.
Yeah.
So while we are born, a very kali number. Yeah. So like abo shooting le and going on. Oh, go at me sound. Sound malcima kancane. Untwana wa hey ngiyabona ke. Ngathi mina you know.
Yeah.
That's when we started.
Oh, we started talking.
Ndaba leyo.
So you see, with taxi in Timbi, Maximi sound again that way.
It's not
look
something.
exactly. Look at the brighter side.
That's something.
Because immediately my sula tina says kuluma sharp. Network.
Speaking about the industry, I just want to know the opinion. You know, does Illuminati la South Africa? Is it? Do you think it's
Corner. It's valid.
Yeah,
It exists.
Yeah,
It
South
does,
African
though.
artist.
Yeah, it does.
I mean,
What?
I feel like it does.
Now I feel like that.
into certain people corner,
Corner.
but like visible ngaleyo
Yeah,
ndlela.
like other artists,
like other countries.
Illuminati network. Angeke la eMzansi babuveze the way babuveze.
Bazakhona ngale ne.
Ngiyangithola.
Yeah,
They wouldn't
yeah.
like babuveze ngaleyo ndlela leyo. Because like thina ngapha mostly we believe in traditional Christian. So
Things,
they
yeah.
run ekuthwaleni.
Actually, ne.
You can make money uyenza uBilluminati bangacabanga ukuthi uthwele.
In the valley. Yeah.
So wait, I wanna ask, what's the difference between like Illuminati and Logyotwala? What's the difference?
I think
Because
I think it's the same thing, but ngapha we
yeah, it's how it's done. Kahle kahle. And the sacrifices that you are making. Yabo. Yacava. Nadi way ubuthatha ngakhona. Angazi mina uBilluminati ukuthi ubuthatha kanjani. Yabo ujona kanjani. Mara I have a clue ngokuthwala. I don't know ukuthi nokuBluminati uyaba na inyoka or
No, I feel like, you know what, I've done a lot of like giving like most of my reels, ne, it's about Illuminati things, like I'm learning about it, ne. So I feel like
why are you so interested in it?
no, because
I nigga join, Baba, then we can pop.
I'll
nigga join, we can
That's
pop.
actually 2 hours nuts.
No, but information, you need to like, you know more about these things and everything. So I feel like Uguti Illuminati, ne, it needs you Uguti ube do something that will influence people. You know, like
So we have attract kanjalo or
I feel like yeah, they
ungena
also
ngakhona.
yeah, like they born up, they spot you. You know, maybe let's say you're a musician, they come in contracts. If you are a movie star, they come with a contract. If maybe you are
They come who?
like them, the agents
Them
and everything.
who?
Oh, they are agents gone.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
The agents.
But like labo bantu labo abaziwa. you know?
Abaziwa, man.
Oh, they are not known.
Hey.
No, like it can just like pop up out of nowhere.
Cause
That's what they say.
remember this thing yaga P Diddy was trending. Jaguar Wright told like never keep my files Uguti. These people sent me a contract. They wanted me to join the devil and everything, you know. So these things I feel like ngapha, man.
So yabona ke ukuthi ndeni uBluminati are brought by in ubdevil.
it is a devil, man.
Yeah, into yobudevil.
Devil's
yabo.
work. dog.
So kusho ukuthi nokuthwala Nike it's devil's
It's
work.
yeah.
But
Because
Tina-
there's supposed to be a blood maybe involved.
Yeah,
there or
should
something.
be.
Yeah, well, so obviously.
But there's a hearsay ukuthi ungathwala nangesikhwama.
But like it affects you
So
somehow.
ukuthola ko maybe ubulala lento ibulala
Maybe
usifaka
I
lapho kuleso sikhwama,
think it's a
yenza imali.
human sacrifice most. It's supposed to be human sacrifice.
Human. Sacrifice ubani?
Yeah?
You sacrifice ngubani, right?
Yeah, estates ntwana. Estates ziyayenzeka ne ukuthi
Hey.
ngene namajita nawo ayakhuluma ngazo.
Ukuthi vele
Ukuthi
my
then-
brother died and then first album like who
Yabo.
said that shit?
La blow up.
Taylor Swift, is it Taylor Swift vele?
Yeah, and the maga
Taylor Swift,
performance,
Taylor Swift ngathi every into
performance, yeah.
not performance, like every album al drop khona uzofa
Uzofa,
lomndeni. And it even happened to A$AP Rocky. A$AP Rocky maqeda.
Yeah, he said it.
Khona umuntu
Oshayo babakhe.
waluza babakhe and stuff like that.
Brother and
That's the
stuff.
sacrifice.
Yeah,
Apparently.
apparently.
Yeah, it's all.
Aye.
He's from America, that man. I wish he
Asingene
could.
ngene ngene.
could be numbers.
Hey, could be numbers, man.
Melody
Athi siyoyibuka.
Like South Africa, like
Bangafuna ukusikhansela, you know
yo,
bayathanda ukukhansela.
yo.
Hayi eMzansi bayathanda ukukhansela.
Yo.
Sivulelinye igama.
Khansela, sivule elinye igama.
Sivulelinye igama.
Amapedi.
Iyo. Sithatha kahle kahle.
Hawu lapho ke sokhuluma ngamapedi. Thatha ama-viewers wethu sithi amapedi.
Simple.
Lapho soyiprinta
But
neyikipa.
yeah, now I feel like in the industry, I stuff a lot. Like
So when would you do it?
Mina, no.
Yeah. Or when
I'm a God-fearing man. So
Yes, ungazusho. Hey, ungazusho odlala God fearing. God fearing man, but already you are a sinner. Already you are a
I've
sinner.
repented, man.
There's no bigger sinner than
Hayi mama,
Seriously.
hayi.
Uthila.
Yeah.
Ngiphetile.
Uthi urepentile.
We asihlali nawe asazi.
Stop living a lie.
I'm not. But I'm a God-fearing man. I wouldn't even join that thing. I wouldn't. I'd decline it on the spot. But like
Why?
I'm buying in 5 million yen or 20 million, whatever money that could
Ambani.
offer.
Just like that, Ambani.
I'm
At
buying,
the same
man.
time, you wanna pop. You know that you deserve to pop.
Yes,
You
after
are
a
saying that because it's
could
not
pop
happening.
in many
If they
ways,
found you will say they found us.
After a week yaboda.
They found us.
Cabang after rejecting them after a week yaboda.
Order. Should have took that day.
Oh, but ngipodile.
What you balo wavuma? Oh, manika teko wavuma tena vele mayingamfikeli mina take off.
Even you yourself.
Take off Illumina.
And when-
You know, I wouldn't talk.
Why?
I wouldn't.
Why?
Rather ngithwale.
That's why.
But it's the same thing.
No, yeah, rather ngithwale. Ah, le Illuminati thing I think it's deep.
Deep how?
Ah, it's deep though.
Nokuthola deep.
Ah, not that
Nokuthola
deep.
ku-deep.
Dog.
But like
Not that
imagine
young
there-
Illuminati. Yo, Illuminati talk like
Dog,
you
dog.
become wild.
Dog, there are other people who have
Like you go
spare
deep
rooms,
in terms of
Kana abantu abana spare rooms, dog. kuthiwa again
no.
hayi
Yo,
Yabona?
kunesilwane.
That's
Bekile lapha
deep.
into yami.
That's
Mina ndotayo
deep.
ndo.
That's
Thola
deep.
ngenkukhu.
What if leso silwane umele sikushaye?
Singishayi. Bayangitshela lapha yana ngisho no.
before.
Hey, so manje
Simele singishayi. Yo, ngiyakho. Siyangishaya.
PDD vibes
But
PDD vibes
No,
PDD
uzongena.
vibes
Siyangishaya.
No, but
Wena
obviously.
uzongena na. Uzongena na.
but like dog
Because kokuqala
So
mina
wena, what you
ngizothwala
are
mina
saying
ngingathwali.
is
Ni
that
broke
when
every
I-
time I come with money. You wouldn't ask ukuthi uyithathe.
Vele.
First of all,
Vele.
because ni broke. I'm capitalize kuloko. So angeke I will never go deep ukuthi then ngize ngithi then mina intwana yazi nginesilwane lapha sangishisa. Yaqava. And the more ngiba nemali.
Udagwe, one time Udagwe.
asivuleli room sibone imihla
Kokuqala ubani sendizoza
Awahlaze.
kwami. Kusethi nizoza kwami.
Wena ayike usisi-
Because ngingaba nendlu la esibloma kuyo thina nazi ukuthi indlu yami. Ngibe nendlu la ngihlala khona ngiyi-1 nesilwane sami.
Oh, I saw something a trend futhi.
Thank
Did
you.
you see emalahleni yini 012 emalahleni
Yeah.
a girl was bamsikela esiswini but ifootage yakhona iveli.
Yeah. Like bamsikile kanje. Yeah, so I saw
Eh,
it.
bamsika bayenza
Uvulekile.
Uthi you know apparently
Nebaphoka ku VIP.
bathi kuneyiphoke grooving the people
The people that you see
you know
are
that
not
post
alive.
you know that post dog ayanginyanyisa
Ah, come on,
people
guys,
that-
and
not
then-
that one you see
Shava
in
nabo
movies
bani
alive.
kanti?
guys and men kancane.
Shuthi kahle kahle whenever they say like not everyone is alive they ubonwa uyi-one hayi
Yeah.
sonke ningasifaki thina ukuthi nina babona
My
ningasifaki
question
Damn,
is
man.
ubani umsikile and uthi ubone after sekabona ngegazi bekangafeel pain azangafeel next.
It does happen.
ugirl beka ku-grove
Yeah,
Wasikeka.
ku-VIP.
Sikeka ku VIP.
Akazi usuku ubani.
Makalandela ama footage
And but
uyabona.
uyabona ukuthi step by second by
I-out.
second
I-out.
No chair.
Che.
icheri lemsikayo
No, lo siki uchair.
Useke but akazi usuku ubani.
Uthi akazi ukuthi usike ubani no footage akaveli.
Akaveli.
ugirl akaveli
Lo muntu omsikile akaveli.
Akaveli.
So wena so uthi sipoko yena. Dishi ay no.
You know ama conspiracy man.
Ah, come on, mekafuna ukutrenda. Yeah, namele ngiyenze.
public stand
Public stand. More followers.
Siyashuleka.
Ayangena, dog.
Phakathi, kwe phakathi ndoda. Stop
Maye,
it.
wait njengoba nithi usikekile abantu ababonanga kubone yena kuqala
No, yena uthi uze ngegazi sekaphila.
Seka bleed and then went
uyafaka
to the
ama-crop
toilet.
shop
No,
or
boma chinoise at boma highway story top yakhe.
Yeah, cause beyidabukile I think something very
Because into megayivizile ngidabukile.
ngiyena sijwayela nina
No, don't say it like
ngiyena
that.
sijwayela nina esithubeni hleli
So yeah, apparently akazi ukuthi
Akusikile lo yana ngithanda
hayi
yathi.
ngithanda attention lo
Hayi, ngikuthanda attention.
or maybe mabafika endlini bam.
Hayi lapho kuyabonakala ukuthi isikekile vele liyajina.
Yeah, lejini. Hey dog.
Dangaye ukuthi yonke chair bayayidla bra. Wait.
No, ngithi maybe bamshayile chief ayimaka nawe.
Hayi mana nawe ngeke ukuthi umuntu bamshayelwe.
Hey, baswahla.
Cabangani.
How can
Thina
you
socabangani.
Hayi chief. There's no different good.
Ucabangani?
Eh bakushayile how kanti how do you
Uma
explain
ucabanga lo muntu lo makasho kanjalo wena uzocabanga ukuthi ushoni. Yeah ucabanga ama-fight.
There's
Umntana lo ngamgetha. Kusho makusho lo muntu lo uzocabanga nomgetha ikawuza. And maybe wamgetha inyuku. Yebo wamgetha inyuku.
hayi chief wena sozenzela nje into yakhe engqondweni.
No, mara ngiyasho lo.
Lamachita lawa.
I'm just saying, bruh.
I'm just saying.
I'm just saying,
Yeah.
bruh.
So manje I'm telling you ukuthi hey but asikuveni man yeke sibuye kutshwala man.
Oh, awusabikanga manje.
Angeke ngibe angithe ngipholisile azange
until when
ngipholisile.
Until when?
And am I kuphe yini 2TM or something baphana
Ufuna empompini?
eh
Don't do that to
ngifuna
yourself,
ukuya.
Chief.
I'm
Ah,
saying
don't do that to yourself,
ah
chief.
chief man
Chief, don't do that to
kanjalo I
yourself.
saw it on ku Facebook yabo how azange ngithi mina ngizoya.
But when you are capable of anything.
number one
Nigga of mine is capable of
Before
anything.
bavula.
But uthe uyejozi, uthe uyejozi.
hayi into anhliza ejuzi yo
Bathi bakuthelela ibhodlela amakhapha ayi2 uza nekhapha lakho. So yeah bakupha amakhapha ayi2
for free
ne dash yeah.
for free
Yeah.
Ne dash.
Bakudash when uyazidash bakuthelele uyazidash.
Mara guys, ne, I don't I'm pointanga ku T2M or stuff. hayi utshwala bamanje bafethu khona into off
especially yacaba mabuthenga
And I saw-
like a tavern kanje.
yeah bomathaveni
Yeah.
wine
Hey.
laba benza khona cheap laba bayenza khona impompi
Abantu bavuka nezitori.
abantu bavuka nezitori
Omunye uthanda i-toilet after lelo langa. Njalo yena use toilet.
and ipapalazi yakhona
Yo,
to
mfana kushawula
ipapalazi yakhona ulala the whole fucking day to
mfethu
Imagine.
Imagine.
Hayi konto wrong.
and I saw
Yazi mara
ngibonile la ku TikTok to okay cha yabo Mocha Love yeah I was playing on Mocha Love like
Oh,
they're
lezi
making
shayibhodlela. Shayiheni
SOP
250
Shayivi SOP
baba 250 yes
Remy Martin
250 nesticker nje
Nesticker, yonke into on.
Bazifaka nje ihlali
the only thing I found out
Dali. Yeah. Phela.
the rest manje clean vele untwana makuvela amakhamera wambale bashaya ama-James nama-Silen
Bana leziya
Ma.
baneyitika yonke.
baneyitika bathi lento le angazi bayithengaphi ejobek angazi kuphi kuphi
uyazijozi indoda.
bayithole ejobek vele bafika bayakhupha
And
cabangatanga uzovula ithaveni uthole iplug lamajini
Yo.
yeni idura kanje
oh yo
ngapha amakula ayayibhekela entwana
oh and futhi ubonile
Ntwana, yabona this country dog this country this country
If you don't want to make money, it's
I
on
even
you.
don't know how to make money.
It's on you.
Khona ezinye naye ngiyibonile shuthi banje umphakathi le izijutha bogogo nje yami. Yachaza. Mako shuthi isolo tape le ihamura le plug.
yeah
So intawe plug. Jutha bomagogo amakoko lemo iplug iyazikapela. Like yazikopela kanje.
Uba lo koko
Thengisela umagogo.
Uba lo koko mara.
That's fucking nonsense.
And did you see the Operation Shanyela or something? The thing that was happening like Equatema and Tsakan.
Shanyela.
Like police.
Operation Shanye.
Yeah, the police and then Baba Vimba Bantu, check and they arrested more than 200
Checking
people.
what?
Imoto ukuthi and futhi ama South African babambe more than 200 people ama drug dealers abantu aba operator
Mara,
etshwaleni
why
license.
does it have like to be an operation like when that's their daily job?
But they said on their statement ukuthi it's not something that's gonna happen occasionally.
Mara into kumele bayenze. Dog amaphoyilisa and whoever ama-retex amaroto abo battalion umsebenzi wabo nabo green beans nabo
Ay, mara bafethu,
abo highlights abo Kenya Mhlakasi umsebenzi wabo ndoda every day they must be hunters bagqwale istrati
That's their
ndoda
job. I don't understand why.
zomsebenzi badla
True.
basichithisa utshwala when they should be
True.
looking for abantu abaserious they are busy ngemoto zomsebenzi la busy neyitoko
Qeda ipetrol.
petrol
And the last Joe, I was in Pretoria. So and the best beer evaliwe dog ne, and then A1 bevuliwe. So they come, but he public drinking. And then when we had to question them, must figure police station, they wanted to beat us.
yeah bazokushaya ngoba uyabahlula that's why bathi then abafuna umuntu onamathathu mara bachashe idudla shothi idudla amathathu ayasinda ukuthi ubambe isigebengu like what's going on in this it's like a movie like yo we live in a movie it's a series it's series
Let's get into that topic. Why bangafuni ithathu? I don't understand. What if ngishayela idate yamama lapha yangapola?
bangafuni ithathu
Why?
we don't know does anyone know here guys ukuthi why abafuni ithathu mara bachashe isidudla ngiyaba question
Who knows?
cabanga ndoda sekayangigijimisa uJomo ngijump ifence nayo uyayijumpa impossible impossible
Wena Novichi ngokukhumbula kwami ngazi kudala vele basho well not amaphoyisa specifically but bekufana nokuthi into yasespanini ukuthi ube presentable and look professional
Yeah,
akufanekanga ubonakale namathathu.
Why should I go to school with my tattoos, get a degree, honors and shit, and then I'm
So it confuses a lot.
Good question.
That's where it's confusing. Because last I checked, bese bathi okay, manje amathathu ungawashaya mara angabe endaweni evisible.
Yes.
Yeah.
On the
but
neck.
the point of shaya ithathu ukuthi be visible
exactly.
that's the point of shaya ithathu ngiyifihlelani because ngifuna ibonwe
So, but I'm sure it's like you're in a corporate now and not like on the street.
yazi beyifana nani. You remember bathi ama lawyer like we out akumelanga ube ne dreads ube nehluthu kumele ube presentable.
Yeah.
Like that's dumb dog.
cabanga
That's dumb. Like
It is.
kuthi
man.
nginehluthu nginet
The profession has a look. Ungeza amadress, abodroga imixtape.
Nine singayifuni why many categorize kanjalo. That's what we don't want.
It's a wow.
Guys, ukuthi mina
Yeah, and futhi maybe I also like
mina into
agree
lezami
no
zinjani,
because
njani.
also bakutshela maybe ukuthi you must wear like this and this.
I don't
and
care about
everything.
wearing. I'm talking about my hair, dog.
So hey.
Indaba isestyleni.
Yeah.
Why ngafuni ushamswe enkonzo?
Aw mfethu, mfethu. I mean, ngifunde kanje le khanda lami linjalo.
I think namalawyer they are not even allowed ukufaka ama-gold ne.
Yeah.
Never seen ilawyer ifaka gold.
But like why?
Fuck my girls, come in.
Pull up on the faka ama-gold.
Yeah.
Hey, you judge. And you judge. That's it.
That's cap, bro.
That's capping.
That's cap.
No,
False accusation, man.
Mandluli camera phambi kwami.
Okay, like good language, I understand. The way I have to talk, good my slangs are not like allowed. Okay, I understand. But like the way I look, dog, ngifakile lento yakhona yama-judge le punch labo. Into lezamziyeke.
Inappropriate. So uyavela lapho ugcwele ama-tattoo, ushebe shit.
Yeah, dog.
You look weird. Look at how he's giving self.
I'm qualified. I learned.
But
That's why me babasela le out le ipantsula le udot. Uthi white uniform ne cover.
You understand? Ngifuna ukuba nje dog. Yeah.
Uniform,
Yeah.
cover
Yeah. Yeah.
Evan.
Yeah.
Umpantsulana. Yeah? But why untwana me bambangisa ke yena? Kuthi nakhona le
Was it Twitter or
Twitter everywhere, bro. That nigga ufundile uzuyatsuba nokutsuba yabona
Pelele.
Love ugelezile, bro.
But you know, Twitter was
Like,
pressure,
man,
man. Twitter is not a good place. I Twitter,
And
the Twitter, you know, Gucci, they can cancel you, man.
Yeah.
I Twitter dog you. I Twitter, man, is powerful.
Siyakhathela notabuzu ladies ama. Every time she posts dog, they're like, hey.
Ngathi kunama-alert ukuthi upostile sambini.
They can make you, they can cancel you, these people too.
But they've tried to cancel Pori, bro. They can't. Who? Maporis. Pori even told them straight, don't cancel mass music because of that thing with something. So cancel me. Nakinja will bounce back.
Yo, izinja.
Say it straight. Yeah, self-carve.
Yeah,
Dog, I want to be in that level. Self-carve.
If
There's no amount of threat njayami.
gaming, if nekasenna,
I'm the solution. I want to say that I'm the solution to this podcast industry.
Hey,
I'm the solution. I'm the solution. Bravery. You saw how Tsaki bash those niggas. Abo sono abile.
Yo, bruh. And then like I'm a chance ne. Ayazazi ukuthi intwana ngisenze next.
Yeah.
But still intwana yafika.
Still intwana le yafika.
Yafika.
And then intwana le still iba beshile lapha ku piano pulse ne.
Imagine.
Imagine.
Ayibasabi le.
Ningeza ningaba i10 ibe one na slicer.
abona lezi amazithi vele za hey.
Caesar doesn't hold back, dog.
Aleyavela.
Maka sometimes nathi masibona ukuthi concert lakho like aliko legit. So khuluma.
Yeah, we're going to talk, man.
I know like when ukuthi uyenza like in a fake way but yasebenza. Siyazi yasebenza.
Nalaba basha ama-vlog wabo ngathi ama-cutting edge. Guys, chill. Every day uniziveza upheka. Every day uziveza ushopha. Every day undlula umbhede.
Yo, dog.
When every day undlula
It's something
umbhede.
that we spoke about last time.
Dog.
Come with something different.
Cutting edge leyo nto leyo. Cutting edge vele ikhuluma ngazo zonke izinto eziyalini.
Yakhumbula ku Facebook. Bathi banakayeka ama-vlog.
Ubani watheka ama-vlog?
Hey, ndoda.
Who's currently vlogging?
Lo modelayo lo.
Mondelayo.
Let's say it, man.
The chubby dark one.
Say it.
Lo hlalele ngase 14, 15 somewhere there.
Who?
Ukamva.
Hayi kamba
Ubani?
But it's why they see it.
Uhlala ngasena mina ngazi ukamva. Ukamva she's the one who's currently vlogging now. Uyavlog ukamva. I know Kamba, I know that guy lo wase-19 manje nyaphela. Nobani futhi omunye ovlogayo lapha ku Facebook. Nomntana lo wakaXabashi konje ubani? Lo slender ofaka amazaza.
I don't know how.
Konje ubani lo kele lo? Lo tala pakakana, lo tala
kaXabashi ngiyabona Xabashi.
Maybe nyama. He's also vlogging. Ngavlogela ina ndoda ibhavu.
Oh, itumeleng. Itumeleng ubani umbuju. Something like
she's
that.
Also
shout out. Major.
No, Major, a dope vlog. And there's this vlogger that is coming, Jayam, Nomthandazo. She just got
Mthando Zuma.
co-signed by Lifestyle Clothing as their brand ambassador.
Yeah.
Dope vlogs, dog.
Yeah, that's what we want.
Yeah.
Dope vlogs,
Into
dog.
sifuna.
So-
Different
Come
things that are
something
happening in
different, man.
so wena soyasijampisa indawo wena umahlalela ku-vlog uhlezi udlula umbheko.
You're not doing anything. You're not doing anything.
You're not doing anything in this gym. You don't go to serious things.
How no? How you about Rose Bank?
But like,
dog?
but like
Do
imagine
something
like
nice.
you're vlogging inside a shop. Aw mara.
I find it dope, man.
I know.
I find it dope. I don't know about other people,
But
but
it
I
is
find
dope,
it dope.
man.
Yabo. Like
There are
it's not
something different.
Listen. For that particular video, yes. But like Maso Yenza, mara.
But it's something that it's a concept that he came with.
Ngiyazi ifone yakho mina ungezigima ungitshela ukuthi school ifone yami idathe lami.
I besides logo, you know, it's I don't want to put it. I don't want to put it like that. Ne, angifuni kuyibeka kanjalo, ne. But I feel like it's kanjalo. It's caught up in a moment.
Ethi kanjalo.
Yabo. Ayikho kanjalo mari kanjalo. It's caught up in a moment.
Eh.
It won't last.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mfunguza lapho.
Yeah.
Mfunguza lapho. Like
Like
so
in a moment, yeah, it's a moment.
Like so
Yeah, it's a moment. I feel like it's a moment.
Yeah, right now it's still a
Yeah, like ivelile yabo.
Yasichaza lapho.
Yasichaza lapho.
Leyo 2 3 4. Mase kuza lapho change.
Because I think who
Change.
wanted posted what I'm thinking of studying vlogging. Ba mubesha bathi something.
For what reason?
Not about senbaning in vlogger. This
That's
boy
the
also.
thing. Hey, yeah.
Yeah, it's
Like,
all.
kaba-
And
Dog,
you are repeating the same thing.
Yeah,
No,
yeah,
hey,
yeah.
that's the thing.
You know what
You must do something different, man.
No, dog, do it. If your mind and your guts are telling you to do it, dog. You know why? They also want to do it, but they don't have the balls to do it.
do it.
No, I'm saying
when you're saying you are going to study for it, they feel like, ish, uzoyifundela and uzobantswembu.
I'm not saying they mustn't vlog, but ngithi mina, if you vlog, don't do
You
something.
talk for everything,
Hey.
bruh.
Like maybe create your own thing. Like, but vlog. Oh, imagine you do something that's.
They could have said the same thing with you about podcasts. There's so many podcasts.
Podcast.
Why are you doing
Why are you
That's
doing
all.
it?
your own thing? Come on.
Yazi why umntana abantu afuna ukuyenza. Ubona igap.
Mara,
He or she sees an opportunity
no,
yokungena.
let's talk about podcast, ne?
Yeah.
How many podcasters are connect us?
Ekasilethu I2.
You see,
Egaslethu,
we
I2.
started
Yeah.
a podcast because like sifuna ukuveza izinto ezenzeka egas ezingavezwa. That's our aim since naningazi. Yayibam.
Yeah.
That's our aim. We're not just doing it just hlali just
Yeah,
for
For fun,
No.
sikhulume ngani.
No.
Anibalekanga ngaleyo
No.
ndlela.
If like ufuna recap ezinto ezenzakalile egas, you can come and tune into Spoiler Deposit.
Simple as that.
Yayibam. Asiyenzi nje sihleli sicoca ngendaba zethu kudala sithi lo mntana ungishaya isandla. Hayi.
That's why we don't want to talk about baddies.
Yeah, baddies.
Every day it's baddies.
Baddies.
Man,
baddies.
no, man, we're
Baddies.
over that.
Yeah, we over there.
that, man.
Yeah, we over there. Yeah, we over there.
Over there.
Anyway, guys, this is your boy Novich the MC. Ntwana sekasi na mapupa setolopeni. Please subscribe, like, share, comment,
guys.
recommend, and
Tag us,
follow.
man.
Tag us.
Yeah.
You can even do a vlog. Ngathi.
Come
Yabo.
behind this.
Yeah.
Spiza, man.
Yabo. You can even do a vlog ngathi telling people, telling your opinion with an H.
Eish.
Yabo,
Yeah.
I was watching a podcast about Novich. They talk about
And then
this and
this and
this.
this and
They
this
shouldn't
and
talk
that.
about this and this.
Yeah,
Yabo.
man.
man.
You
That's
could
your
try,
own
man.
opinion.
You can
yabo.
trend, yabo. For the people, by the people.
You see?
Yabo.
And we can put you on.
Yeah, we can put you on.
Put you on.
Uzokutididizer. If we try uzokutididizer, sharp buffet.
Yeah, we impress the masses on a regular basis with Malum Slay.
Tournament. It will put you to tournament. Tournament and you're gonna pop. You know? Please, guys, ning follow nami. Novich the MC, ang tour ning puki. Thank you.
Malum Slay.
Malum Slay, iPhone plug. iPhone plug. Malum Slay, iPhone plug. Thank you.
Danko. You know, see you on the next episode, guys.
Yeah, wavala masimba mfana. Wavala masimba. But on.
Danko.
On.